Hey guys, this is Indu here. Hope all are fine at home. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that every single time I upload the video, you will be getting the notifications. Kindly watch the video till the end because I have included some of the important board examination questions for practice. Our today's topic is going to be on why do we need political parties? From the chapter Political Parties, Civics, CBSE Class 10. So this is an important topic. Without political party, country like India, it is not so easy to function smoothly. So there are various impacts created by the political party, and it plays very crucial role in shaping the governance. So that's what the importance of political party is all about. It is a crucial institutions of a democracy which performs a variety of functions. So, this is all about the basic understanding of political parties. Many times, political parties act as a bridge between the common people and the government. Though they are winning or losing, that doesn't matter, but they act as a mediator between the common public. Even for the illiterate, they are easy accessible. For example, if you take illiterate people, they cannot easily go and approach the government officials, whereas they can directly go and approach the political leaders easily. So in such way, political parties plays very important role. So this is the basic understanding of why we need political parties. Next, coming to the definition of political party. In your board examination, you may get question like, what is political party? The definition. If it is coming in 3-mark question or 1-mark question, this must be your exact answer. A political party is a group of people who comes together to contest election and hold power in the government. They agree on some policies and programs for the society with a view to promote the collective good. Parties reflect fundamental political divisions in our society. So, this is all about the clear cut definition of political party. Mainly, party performs various functions, but these are the basic definition of political party. So, after reading this definition of political parties, you must be able to understand what is the real need of political party. Yes, they do have a target to contest in the election and to win in the election. Apart from that, they are serving the people. In a democratic country, political parties plays very vital role in retaining democracy. They work for the welfare of the society. Next important 1-mark question for board examination is the components of political parties. There are 3 components of political parties. 1, the leaders. 2, the active members. 3, the followers. So often they will ask this particular question in board examination. It is a repeated 1-mark question. Please do make a note of it, kids, and get thorough with this. So these are the 3 major components of political party. Without having any single component, it cannot work. So all 3 components of political party is very much important to work as a political party as a one group. Leader is essential because he or she must be the deciding authority. Active members who are the close associates. For example, a leader would be the chairperson of the particular political party. Active members would be the close associate for the leader. They might be the ministers, who takes up very important role in the political party. So such people are called active members. And the followers maybe in lakhs or thousands of followers must be there. Whatever the party decides, implementation will be done by the followers and the propagation will be done by the followers. Now we have come to an important phase of this particular video, important board examination questions. What is a political party? What are the characteristics of a political party? What are the three components of political party? Likewise, you will be getting questions. Most probably these two topics you will be getting as 1 mark question. What is political party, or what are the three components of political party, right? So this is all about it. Students also do watch other concepts of political party from our channel Indus Historia. Other concepts would be like functions of political party, necessity of political party, how many parties should we have, national parties, state parties, challenges to the political party, suggestions to reform the political party. Likewise, we have divided chapter into different small concepts so that it is easy to understand, right? So please do watch all those videos and familiarize with all the concepts. Thank you so much guys for your time. Bye bye students, take care. Like my videos, share my videos and subscribe my videos.